Hello, my name is Stephen Hawking. I am so glad to be here with you all talking about the human systems. I know quite a bit about this topic, but it is not the main field I do most of my research in. Now that I have introduced myself, let's get started. Warning: no human was harmed in the creation of this film. Actors in this film were professional stunt performers. 555 Films Incorporated do not encourage or condone any of these actions. Do not try these stunts at home, for they may lead to serious injury or death. There are 9 different types of human systems in a Homo sapien. Each system has a very specific job, whether it has to do with blood, skin, or food. I will now start listing off and describing these human systems in alphabetical order. First system, circulatory. The circulatory system moves blood throughout the body, distributing oxygen to needed areas, such as the brain and muscles. Eating too much junk food, like candy and chocolate, can lead to strokes and heart attacks like the one seen now. Second system, digestive. The digestive system breaks down food and liquids your body takes in. There are many components to the digestive system, like the stomach, esophagus, small and large intestines, and the rectum. It all starts with the mouth, where food is chewed up and broken down physically by teeth. It then slides down the esophagus into the stomach, where bacteria and stomach acid break down the food chemically. The small intestines then take this food and absorb all the nutrients the food contains. After the small intestines, the large intestines absorb the water and distribute it to the rectum, where it awaits unloading. I would keep going, but I am sure you don't like watching this. Third system, immune. The immune system protects our body from foreign invaders, such as germs and bad bacteria. The first layer of defense is our skin, which we will get into next in the integumentary section. Our skin blocks off most germs and bacteria, but not all. White blood cells help fight off invaders that make it through the skin. Sneezing and coughing helps transport germs, which is why it is very important to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Fourth system, integumentary. The integumentary system contains our hair, nails, and skin. Our skin is basically co-owned by our immune and integumentary system. This system helps keep large invaders out and water and blood in. Fifth system, muscular. The muscular system houses all of our muscles throughout the body. Muscles and bones from the skeletal system, which we will get to, work together to form the locomotive system. The muscular system is fueled by oxygen, which is provided by the respiratory and circulatory system. Sixth system, nervous. The nervous system keeps our body from basically destroying itself without knowing. It senses heat, cold, pain, moisture, or anything that touches your body. The brain is the main office of the nervous system. If you were to touch something hot, the nervous system would tell your body to stop touching the hot pan or plate or whatever you're touching that is hot. Seventh system, respiratory. The respiratory system takes in oxygen that our body needs and puts out carbon dioxide that it doesn't need. Oxygen taken in is used for many parts of the body, such as the brain, muscles, and heart. Running and exercising can make your respiratory system work harder to achieve the right amount of oxygen needed for the body. Eighth system, skeletal. The skeletal system keeps our body's structure. If we didn't have a skeletal system, all we would be is a giant pile of mush made up of organs, blood, and skin. Bones in the body are very sturdy, but not enough to never break. If enough force is acted upon a bone, the bone will fracture and a cast will have to be worn to heal the bone. When born, the human baby has about 300 bones, but throughout time, these bones fuse together. After all fusing of the bones is done, the human has 206 bones in the body. The skeletal system isn't just bones either. It also contains cartilage, which makes up ears and parts of the nose. Ninth system, urinary. The urinary system flushes away liquids the body has used to absorb water and nutrients out of. Liquids absorbed are processed in the kidneys where it is then transported to the bladder where it awaits to be unloaded. Overall, all human systems play a very important and specific role in the body. Each has a special job to keep the body running in tip-top shape.
Hello, my name is to remain anonymous. I am here to fill in the rest of this movie. Stephen Hawking passed away on March 14, 2018. He was in the middle of creating this movie when he passed. There is not much he hasn't covered throughout this film, so I am going to wrap things up. Thank you all for listening and watching. May God's light shine on Hawking for his amazing dedication to science. Please enjoy the bloopers to the film.